Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make قلاية بندورة باللحمة or fried tomato with ground beef. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. We're gonna need 1 kilo of tomato cut in small pieces, and it's better to have the red ones. 300 grams of ground beef, a big chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves cut in small pieces too, and 1 hot pepper. We also gonna need half spoon of meat spices, a quarter of black pepper, and salt. And for frying we're gonna use a cup of olive oil. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our meal for today. On a pot over medium-high heat, put the cup of olive oil, leave it for around 2 minutes, then add the onion and the garlic. Mix them together for around 5 minutes, then add the ground beef. With it, add the spices that we have, the meat spices and the black pepper. Mix all together and leave the meat frying with the onion for around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, add the tomato we have, the salt, and the hot pepper. Cover the pot and leave them cooking for around half an hour. After half an hour, you're gonna see that the mixture is getting dry from the tomato juice. That's how you know that our meal is done. Take it down, put it on the plate, and eat it with the pita bread and some fries. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.